The title for the hackathon for the next 3 days is Making Evidence for the Health Impacts of Environmental Change More Accessible to Project Developers and the Financial Sector. We have two specific aims. The first one is, can we develop an interactive tool that leverages LLMs to match design phase projects, specifically linking the environment to health?
Our goals are to demonstrate that, using LLMs, we can contextualize scientific information into a way that people who are not domain experts, they can use that information to solve their problems. We'll challenge you to develop an LLM-based tool that can take in one or more PDF scientific papers, and when prompted with a question, can contextualize the response based on that scientific paper.
We have very unique challenges and opportunities in Africa. I'll give you one unique opportunity we have, right, is the great minds in this room, right? It's our youth dividend, right? So how can we design something that captures this?
What I'm hoping is the hackathon is going to help us in nature finance and also ultimately governments and finance institutions design better, more finely attuned financial instruments that are triggered on, for example, indicators and signals coming from ecosystems and outcomes for the economy as a whole. And what we want to do is see an equal partnership, an equal prioritization between outcomes for ecosystems and the people who live in them and for economic growth.
As you develop solutions for AI, how can we make sure that everyone is included? How do we better include people with disabilities?
Each team has its own API key. So when you look at integrations, there is what we are calling the environment variables. You'll get your together API key as well as the value of that and integrations.
I love how the notebook was organized, how we had, guidance and stuff. And I love the mini workshops in between. Keeps it not just hack, but you're also gaining a lot.
First, along that top row, the very first step of RAG is taking your knowledge base, whether it's a bunch of PDFs or whether it's a bunch of text that's offline somewhere, and turning it from tokens, from language, into vectors.
There's work on misinformation where you can see how LLM persuasion can kind of help humans get swayed in the right direction.
We're on a new journey right now, and the big question is, can we make medicine for endangered species? Can we make precision medicine for endangered species?
You cannot say anything about anybody's experience without measuring them repeatedly from the time of birth. Did you get all your childhood vaccinations, for example? Did you live in a place where you were exposed to something like seizures from certain diseases? Seizures in children under the age of 5 always cause something in the brain. Later on, your development of things like dementia can be impacted by things that happen to you as a child. So can we look at better ways of looking at the exposure related to environment and where people live? Really integrated databases that you, the next generation, are going to help us develop.
I would like to thank them, the organizers of this event, because they brought people from everywhere. You are in this place, you are feeling like you are in an international space.